Hello, good morning. My name is Dr. Daisy. I'm a dentist by profession. Today we are going to be discuss about human health and disease. Okay, so what is a disease? What is a health? Okay, so what do you understand by health? Let me explain you. All people understood health just as a merely absence of any disease. Okay, but health is not an absence of disease. Okay, if you are not having any disease, that doesn't mean you are healthy. Okay, so being healthy means if you are physically fit, you are mentally fit, and you are socially fit. Okay, so what is healthy? What is health? So what is health? Health is actually three things: physically, mentally, and socially fit. Okay, so if you are physically fit, mentally fit, and socially fit, how? Physical means if there is any change in your structure or function of your body, that means physical change. Okay. What is mental? If you are feeling any change in your behavior, okay, that is mental. And social means how your relationships are there socially, how you interact with other people, how you feel connected with other people. So all these things, if you are physically, mentally, and socially fit, then you will consider yourself as healthy. Okay, that is health. What about disease? Disease is something that deviates you from normal health. Okay, so if your body is experiencing something like you have some disease, means like you have acquired some bacteria, virus, anything infection from outside, and you are feeling sudden change in your body, like it can be physical change, it can be mental change, it can affect your social life as well. So any physical, mental, or social change, just like health. Okay, so any change or any deviation in your health or function, okay, that is considered as disease. Okay, so it is any change or deviation from the normal functioning of your body, that is considered as disease. Okay, so now you understood what is health and what is disease. Now let's just talk about different type of diseases. What are the disease causing agents and how are diseases caused? Okay, so there are different types of diseases. There are basically two types. We have divided disease into two types. One is genetic and other one is acquired. Okay, so what is genetic disease? That you get it from birth, means through your parents. That is genetic disease. And acquired, that you acquire through your environment or any lifestyle that you're facing, that is acquired disease. Okay, so what comes under genetic diseases? There are many diseases that you can acquire through your parents. Okay, like sickle cell anemia, okay, hemophilia. Okay, so these are the genetic diseases. Okay, you are acquiring it from your parents. Acquired disease. Acquired disease are further divided into two types. Okay, so these are communicable or non-communicable diseases. Communicable means infectious. We can say it as infectious as well, or communicable disease. And other one is non-communicable and non-infectious disease. Okay, so what is communicable disease or infectious disease? That can be spread from one person to another, means that can be transmitted from me to another person as well. Suppose I am having some disease, so it can be transmitted, okay, from me to another person as well. Okay, that is communicable or infectious disease. What is non-communicable? Just opposite to communicable, means it cannot be transmitted or spread to other persons. Okay, let us see by examples. Like communicable diseases are common cold, pneumonia, tuberculosis. There are many examples of communicable disease. Non-communicable disease, like one common example is cancer, allergies, nutritious diseases, nutritional deficiency disease. Okay, so all these are non-communicable; they cannot be transmitted. Okay, so this is the classification of disease. How the diseases are classified into different types: genetic and acquired. Acquired is further divided into communicable and non-communicable. Okay, hope this is all clear. Okay, next we are going to talk about disease causing agents. Okay, so what are the different disease causing agents? So how the disease is caused? Okay, so let's see the disease causing agents. Can you name some disease causing agents? First, we have to see what are the agents. So, agents can be any force, any substance that are coming from outside, okay, into our body to cause any type of disease. Okay, so these are called agents. Okay, or we can say the agents, deficiency of which or the excess of which can cause disease. Okay, so that is called as disease causing agents. Okay, so first there are many disease causing agents. First are pathogens. So let's understand what are pathogens. Okay, what do you understand by pathogens? Pathogen, if you try to break this word, you will definitely know that pathogens. Patho means disease. Gens means producing or formation. Okay, so patho is disease and gens means formation or producing. So what is this pathogen? Disease forming agents. Okay, so this is causing agents. The agents that cause disease are called as pathogens. Okay, so these are biological agents. Biological agents means they are living agents. Okay, these are living agents that will cause disease. Okay, so these are different types: bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, etc. Okay, there are many more. Okay, so these are called pathogens because they are living agents that can cause diseases. Okay, like bacteria, virus, fungi, etc. So these are disease causing agents. Okay, next, first are pathogens or biological agents. Next is nutrient agents. What are the nutrients? Nutrient agents. Okay, so you will be thinking like, can nutrient agents also cause diseases? Yes, nutrient agents also cause diseases. How? Because I told you, what are agents are anything like force or substance whose excess or deficiency will cause disease. Okay, so nutrient agents are those agents like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamin, minerals. These the nutrients that we getting from the food or diet. Okay, so these are the carbs, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. So, any deficiency of these nutrients or excess of these nutrients may cause disease. Okay, so these are also classified as disease causing agents. Okay. Third one is chemical agents. So, what are chemical agents? Oh, obviously chemicals. There are some chemicals. They can be some heavy chemicals, radiation type of chemicals. Okay, that are causing radiation. And some pesticides, chemicals, insecticides. Okay, so there are various chemical agents in our environment. Okay, like they are basically divided into two types: endogenous and exogenous. So what do you understand by endo and exogenous? Endo means within and exo means outside. So endo inside, genius means producing. Again, divide the word into two parts. You will understand. Like endo means inside, genius means producing. So it is produced inside us. Okay, so what could be that? It could be like urea, uric acid. So these chemicals can also cause disease. Okay, exogenous, outside. So what we get from outside like pollution, pollutants, sports, pollen, anything. Okay, that are the chemicals. Okay, so these are the chemical agents that can cause diseases in humans. Okay. Next agents, physical agents. So what are the physical agents? Like heat, cold, injury, okay, radiation, electricity. So these all are the physical agents: heat, cold, temperature, electricity, okay, radiation. So these are physical agents that are also causing diseases in humans. Okay. Next is mechanical agents. What are mechanical agents? Okay, again they are requiring some force. Okay, like dislocations, any dislocations in your body. Okay, like your joint is dislocated from the original place. Okay, fractures, traumas, injuries, all come under mechanical agents. Okay, so these are also agents that are causing your disease. Agents means any substance or force that is causing disease in your body. Okay, so these are the basic disease causing agents. Okay, So now you understand what are the different types of agents that are causing the disease in humans and anything? Okay. Okay. Now let's talk about something more important, that is, now you know what are the disease causing agents that are called as pathogens. One thing is more important is that vector or carrier. Do you know what is vector or carriers? Okay, so these two are different things. Okay, what are carrier? Actually, carrier is that agent. Okay, carrier is also an agent. Okay, so that agent that themselves is not causing the disease. Okay, but it is spreading the disease or transmitting the disease. Okay, so the carriers are the agents or vectors are the agent that cannot cause disease by themselves. Okay, so these cannot cause disease by themselves, means they are not causing the disease but they are spreading the disease or transmitting the disease. Okay, so they are spreading the disease, so these are called as vectors or carrier. Like examples, like most common example, you know, mosquitoes, house fly. Okay, so these are the example of vector or carrier. See, most people say, most of the students have heard them, that they say whenever they ask, they tell me, whenever they ask like what is the causative agent of malaria, who causes malaria, okay, how the malaria is caused. So they just say mosquito, okay. They don't know the difference between vectors, carriers and causing agents, okay. So here in malaria, mosquito is not the causative agent, it is a vector or carrier, okay, that is causing the disease, okay. So here mosquito just take out by the humans and just spread the pathogen. Okay, actual pathogen that is causing the disease in malaria is Plasmodium. Okay, that is a protozoa. Okay, protozoa. Okay, Plasmodium that is causing malaria, but it is just spread by mosquito. Okay, so mosquito is a vector here, like another thing like housefly. You're seeing cockroaches. Okay, so these are just spreading the pathogens like bacteria, virus, anything. They're just spreading them into our food or air or whatever we are taking. Okay, that is the function of vector or carrier. Understood about vector or carrier? That is the basic thing. Okay, so these are the living agents. What about some? There are some non-living agents as well that can cause disease or transmit the disease, like air, water, soil. So these are non-living agents. Okay, so these are called as like the disease that is spread by air called as airborne disease. Water spread by water is waterborne disease. Okay, so that is the basic thing about human health and disease. Before going on to any disease, so you need to understand these basic concepts. Okay, what is health, what is disease, what is health affected by, okay, what are the different types of diseases and how is disease caused, okay, and something about vector and carrier. Okay, so we have just cleared about all the basics. Okay, so we will continue in the next lesson.